Yes, my greeting to everyone, depending where you are watching me from. It is a very lovely day, and I am happy to be on a video to speak about us and our preparation, what we have in the moment through the Obinwannem. Today is a very lovely day, and I have already given myself the privilege and for me to be among the people that will come in through the help of Obinwannem in our well-being of Igbo land. The purpose of this video is to remind you that every video that I have to make always will first display on Obinwannem TV. If you don't know about this Obinwannem TV, go and look for this Obinwannem TV. That is where you will get the reality, the real information from me and the rest of the people who is working with Obinwannem TV. So now, like I said, that it's very nice that we know this and know peace for those of us that really want change. Likewise, like a Germany word says, yeah, wenn du dich selbst nicht magst, you know, kannst du immer schmutzig Ding tun. When you don't really love yourself, it is obviously that you will be accepting any offer, dirty offer that you see. So the reason why this now is that you have already seen it, you have already known the information, you have already seen the world, you have already seen how everything is moving. So we are not here for us to be dragging a word or to making it always making argument of life. The only thing that I am here is to come and address you the reality and the things, how things is supposed to be through Obinwannem TV. Every difficulties you are facing, everything that is not going well normal in your life, you are free to contact us through Obinwannem and they will get me involved. I have to analyze everything for you peacefully with love. So I am happy that I want to work with Obinwannem TV, and I always want you to always be with us and go and follow us to hear more about this information, about this Obinwannem. It is only mostly for the well-being of the Igbo people. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and for you, those of you that will listen to me, to share this video. Thank you so much. Yeah.